Goat. Goat is a cattle that humans tame after dogs, and mostly in the same time as sheep. Goat is also an animal that ruminate like cows. We raise goats for meat, milk, and skin. This is a cattle that have high reproducing rate. They give a lot of meat, they give a lot of babies, and they are also a good target for milk. Goats live almost everywhere, from the hot regions like Africa to the cold regions like Europe, and from the fields to the mountains. Rhino. Rhino is an animal that eats grass. They are among the largest animals in the world, but they have small brain. Their brain weighs 400 to 600 grams. They might have one or two horns with a thick skin. Their skin can be from 1.5 to 5 centimeters thick, and they are formed from the layers of collagen. They usually eat grass and leaves. In some places, because of false beliefs that some people have, hunters usually hunt rhino down to get their horn, and that pushed them to the extinction. Buffalo. In the world, there are two groups of buffalo: African buffalo and Asian buffalo. Buffalo is an animal that eats grass, just like cows, and they are raised by people in many Asian countries. Mostly that they help carry things and for their meat. The image of a buffalo is usually portrayed as a hard-working animal and they are close to the farmers on the field. Chicken. Chicken is a poultry that humans raise a lot to get their meat, eggs, and their feathers for decorations. Chicken lives in groups. They have high community habits. The hen lays eggs, and they will warm the eggs for it to hatch into chicks. Rooster looks different from the hen because of their colorful feathers.